Hello everyone. I'm going to do a quick post-market analysis, and today is Monday 3rd of June 24. So we had these two major news, which was final manufacturing PMI and ISM Manufacturing PMI. So both of them from USA, and we also had a couple of minor PMI news from Germany and UK. So we want to see what effect it had on the market. So the German PMI came as it was expected, and the European one was pretty much as it was expected, and the UK one. So whereas the final manufacturing PMI came higher for US, but the ISM came lower. So that basically gave a bit of mixed signal to the market. So we can look at the higher time frame first. So what we had, so basically it would be here. So what we had was market was struggling to break higher, and now we can see this massive bearish candle on the 4-hour time frame, so suggesting the market is more bearish than bullish on a higher time frame. You can see it on the daily as well as on the 4-hour. So that means we couldn't make any higher highs, and we have already made lower lows. So that's on the higher time frame. So let's have a look at what's happened on the 30 minutes as well, 30 minutes chart. So we can see that we struggled to break lower at 9 o'clock. So we also struggled to break higher, when I'm saying higher, Asian range high. And we couldn't go any lower than this, so I was expecting the prices could break higher. So but we after the news, which came 14:45 and 3 o'clock, basically quarter to 3 and 3 o'clock, we had this massive flush downside. So let's have a look at what actually happened. This is the 3 minutes, so you can see what actually happened in terms of news event as well. This is London Open, so we couldn't break any higher. We rejected that Asian range high. Let's have a look at the normal candle, so you can see the Asian range. So we rejected, we came back down, we couldn't go any lower, it came back up. So market was waiting for the news of US market, US major news for US. But bear in mind, the news for Europe and German, Euro and GBP came around 9 o'clock. So about 9 and 9:30. So if you look around 9, because we had this bullish momentum because of the Euro news was good, but 9:30 we actually had fairly stable news, but the market couldn't go to break any higher. So this is where it was 9:30. So we bounced off around the VWAP area, which is that dotted line, and until so that was meant to be New York Open. So New York Open, we actually tried to break that higher, but we couldn't. And then exactly at 2:45, we had the final manufacturing PMI news, which was the first one, final manufacturing PMI news. So that one came, this is the one that we were talking about. So it came higher than expected, but market sort of flushed down, so couldn't go any higher. So we started to test this lower zones, but we couldn't go any lower than that. But exactly at 3 o'clock, it was more bearish news, as you can see. So it came lower than as was expected for the ISM, and market reacted. We couldn't go any higher. We rejected that zone again. That was already giving me the confluence that price is going to go lower. So my setup came and I aimed for Asian range low, but I closed a bit earlier. So I had this trade, but also I shouldn't have done this, but I entered again, considering the break of the Asian range low, but market reacted, retraced quite quickly. But again, it would have hit my TEP if I would have been more patient. So just wanted to break that market analysis to hopefully make more sense to the audience. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a good day, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.